The project screen is used to refine the definition of the project throughout the sales cycle and to track the execution of the project once the project is started. It's divided up into 5 tabs. The first tab is customer information, which includes things like the billing address, the order number, a sales stage, which can have any stage in your sales cycle or sold if the project has been sold to the customer. The next tab is project information, which contains more detailed information about the project. It also has a status of open or closed. It can be assigned to anybody in your organization. It has a start date, finish date, an estimated number of hours, which is used for forecasting to forecast the amount of revenue that you expect from the project, also to give you an upper bound on how much time that you actually expect to spend on the project. A labor rate, which is used in forecasting and also can be used as a general labor rate for the project if you haven't specified individual labor rates for your employees. You can control how labor gets charged by specifying things like nobody can charge to the milestone, or anybody in your organization can charge to the milestone, which they'll use the labor rate that we just described. Or you can list the people in your organization who can charge to the milestone, or you can list it as hours not billed, which you might want to do, say, for a milestone that captures labor for the sales cycle for profitability reasons. If you choose listed people, you can list each of the people in your organization and a different labor rate to charge to the customer for each. The project can be broken up into milestones, and the milestones are a lot like mini projects. Each milestone has a status, open or closed. It can be assigned to a person. It has a start date or an end date. It also has an estimated number of hours for forecasting revenue, and a labor rate and billable options, just like the project as a whole. The milestones, like the project itself, can contain uploaded files so that you can upload the RFP, you can upload the specifications or whatever documents you need to keep in a central repository. Once the milestone has been closed, the final payment on the milestone is billable and goes out into the next billing cycle. Expenses are captured on the expense form, and you can specify a product in which, if you do, it will list the price off of the price sheet. If you agreed on a different price with the customer, you can enter that in there. You can list miscellaneous things like travel and specify whether they're billable or not billable. If they're not billable, they don't get billed to the customer, but they do get tracked for profitability. Finally, as milestones are opened and started, your people can bill them from their timesheets, and the labor tab tracks all of the time that is billed to the project or any milestone in the project.